Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? Uploading videos day after day, but the views aren't coming? I've been there. I felt the same frustration. And then, I discovered two tools that everyone talks about, TubeBuddy and VidIQ. But the real question is, which one actually works? Stick with me because in this video, I'll share my personal story of using both tools side by side, and I'll give you the answer you've been searching for. When I first started YouTube, I believed quality content was enough. If I worked hard, surely people would find my videos, right? Wrong. I uploaded video after video, and my subscriber count was stuck. I checked analytics obsessively. Nothing changed. I thought maybe I just wasn't good enough for YouTube. Maybe the dream of becoming a creator wasn't for me. But then I heard about two names, TubeBuddy and VidIQ. Some creators swore by TubeBuddy. Others said VidIQ was the real secret. I was confused. Which one should I use? Let's start with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy felt like a YouTube assistant built into my browser. It helped me bulk edit descriptions, add tags to multiple videos at once, and even test different thumbnails to see which one got more clicks. For a beginner struggling to manage content, it felt like a lifesaver. VidIQ, on the other hand, felt more like a coach. It gave me advanced keyword research, competitor analysis, and even AI suggestions for titles and descriptions. It showed me what's trending in my niche and gave me insights about when to post. So I thought, why not test them head-to-head? I created two sets of videos, same niche, same energy, same editing style. The only difference? One set was optimized with TubeBuddy, the other set with VidIQ. For TubeBuddy, I focused on SEO scores, tags, and A/B testing thumbnails. For VidIQ, I leaned on keyword optimization, trending topic suggestions, and competitor insights. And then, I waited. The moment of truth was in the analytics. TubeBuddy videos gave me cleaner management and higher click-through rates. Those A/B tested thumbnails? Game-changing. But VidIQ videos started ranking in search. I got more impressions, more views from suggested videos, and my watch time improved. TubeBuddy made my channel organized and professional. VidIQ pushed my channel forward into growth. So the question, which one works better? The truth is, both work. But they work in different ways. If you're a beginner who feels overwhelmed by managing uploads, TubeBuddy is your best friend. It saves you hours and makes YouTube simple. But if you're chasing growth, if you want to discover what people are searching, what your competitors are doing, and how to rank faster, VidIQ is the tool for you. For me personally, I started with TubeBuddy. It made me consistent. But as my channel grew, VidIQ gave me the insights to scale. That's why I don't see it as TubeBuddy versus VidIQ. I see it as TubeBuddy then VidIQ. So, which one actually works? Both. The real question is, which one works for you right now? If you're just starting out, go with TubeBuddy. If you're ready to grow big, go with VidIQ. But remember this, tools don't create success. You do. These are just weapons, and in the right hands, they can help you win the battle for attention.